guys, thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to give you guys a real quick rundown on an issue that we had with our water heater. A couple of weeks ago we noticed that when we turned it on to propane it wouldn't light, so did some research, ran through some diagnostics that some other people kind of did on their water heaters on some of the Facebook groups and things, and come to the determination that we probably had a bad control board. The water heater worked perfectly on electric, but it would not light on propane. We had propane in the tanks. I could smell propane out here by the water heater, but it just wasn't igniting. So you know, we had another great experience with Grand Design. I called them up, described the problem to them, told them what part number they wanted to know, the part number of the control board that we had, and they, you know, obviously they wanted me to try to get a mobile takeout and things like that. But you know, when I explained to them that number one, we're in South Dakota, we're hundreds of miles from you know, any kind of Grand Design dealership, so that's not going to work. And also, as far as getting a mobile takeout here, you know, to Hill City, South Dakota, I mean, there might be some around, but you know, I kind of, again, once I explained to them kind of what was going on with it and what it was doing, they agreed to just ship me the board, and they said if I was comfortable installing it, then they would ship it to me. So we had it sent general delivery to the local Hill City post office, and I'm going to get this thing changed out and show you guys how to do it. It's a simple fix, and it could save you a lot of hassle, save you a trip to the dealership for something that's, you know, a little 5-minute process, and get you back up and running on your water heater. So here's what we're going to do. So here's a piece we're going to change. This is the control board. All it is one plug. You've got your igniter and 2 screws holding it in. That's all there is to it. So it's pretty simple. So we're going to get this one out. So you want to make sure that the electric and the gas switches are off on your water heater from the inside. We just unplug those 2 plugs there. A lot of people recommend checking that 2-amp fuse. I checked that. That fuse was good. That's one of the things that I did before I called Grand Design. And beyond that, there's not a whole lot really left to this system. Now you're just going to take a 1/4-inch nut driver. Take that screw out the top. That screw out of the bottom. Hold that for me. And there it is. The control board's out. So now
I'm gonna put the new control board on.
So here's,
because of this, you can't get long showers. This is the culprit of not long showers.
so they send you the control board. The control board's going to come with new screws. So they send you new screws, new control board. Now you can see that they've obviously had some issues with this control board, because this is definitely not the same control board. When I was doing some research, there was a lot of complaints about a lot of people having the same issue with the water heater not lighting on the propane side. So obviously that is not the same control board, so we're going to put this new one in and hopefully have hot water when we get done. Plug our 2 plugs back in. Plug your igniter back in. And now what you gotta do is
Make sure it's working.
go inside our propane switch, see if this thing will light. And just like that, we're back in business. Propane's running. We had to run some hot water, drain the hot water out of the tank, you know, through the sink. That would engage the board to light the water heater and verify that that indeed did fix it. So, you know, another great experience with Grand Design. We have no complaints with those guys. They've stood behind everything, and this is the second time they've shipped a part to me so that I can fix it myself. You can see how simple that fix is, and you know, who knows how long your rig will be in the shop if you try to take that to a dealership, just to have them do, you know, a 2-minute board swap. So you know, I hope this helps somebody out there. If your propane side of your water heater goes out, we have the Grand Design 28BH with the Dometic water heater. It's pretty common throughout most of the reflection models, so if you have an issue with it, check that 2-amp fuse. If that 2-amp fuse checks out good, then most likely you're going to have a control board issue. Give Grand Design a call and they'll take care of it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest at Trippy Outdoors. Bye, guys.
All right, catch you guys down the road.